Hey everybody, Chris here. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Wednesday. I just thought I'd hop on real quick. I'm actually in between some lives right now in a couple of friends groups, and I worked out a little while ago and I've been cleaning, and my hair is filthy and my face was super flushed, so I just went ahead and did the Flawless in 5 like really fast. Probably took me 3.5 minutes, not even 5, because it was just literally like I was like, hurry. And so basically I knew I was going to be in a hurry and I was in between everything. And so I did my tint, my Flawless in 5 tint, brow pencil, mascara, lip gloss. Hey babe, I know, right? I'm getting ready for you in 12 minutes. And so I was just talking about how I've been in between. I had Rachel's live, and how right before that I was like super flushed from working out and like sweaty. Thank goodness that live nobody can like smell me, but at least I could try to look decent. And so I literally like rinsed off my face and tried to cool off because my face tends to be so red with rosacea and so forth. And so I quickly did my Flawless in 5 right before Rachel's live, except my mascara. And then I just added my mascara. But before hopping on with you, Janine, which I'm so excited about, I wanted to show everybody our new pressed powders real quick, because like I said, we can be ready in 5 minutes. My Flawless in 5 routine took me less than 5 because I was hurrying. Girl, it's a game changer. So just literally I rinsed my face off real fast after I worked out, like with cool water. Especially rosacea people don't use hot water. Was trying to I literally took the cool air dryer and was like going like this, okay? Then I just used a little bit of my Counter Match Adaptive Moisturizer. I use Rejuvenating most of the time, but sometimes I feel like I need just that Counter Match to sort of balance me out, because it has that biomimic technology. And you always want to start with a nice moisturized face, and I had just sweat and rinsed. So I'd strip some moisture, but I don't want to go and cleanse. You don't want to cleanse your face, 4 times a day. You're going to strip it of its natural oils, over cleansing as well. So I literally washed with a little cold water. Oh, I'm so glad you love it. And the body lotion, I mean, what y'all? So quick, I patted my face dry, did a little bit of my Counter Match Adaptive Lotion cream, which is still part of the Band of Beauty membership free gift. You get one of these. Then I did my tint foundation, a little bit of concealer under my eyes, brow pencil, blush, mascara, and gloss. Flawless in 5. Now your Flawless in 5 comes with a lipstick, with a lip sheer, not a gloss. But I just did a little gloss today. I didn't really want any color. I've just got on Dahlia. Oh, no, don't cleanse 3 times a day. You know what? When I first started using Beautycounter, I was so obsessed with all of it. I was like, what can I do next? And I was like overdoing it. You know what I mean? I was like, I'm gonna mask. I'm gonna do another mask tonight. I'm gonna do another one tomorrow. And so we really want to just slow it down a little bit. We get really excited. We tend to overdo it. So anyhow, I'm doing good on the time, I think. So I did my Flawless in 5 in like 3.5 minutes. No lie. Flushed face and all. And I wanted to show you what a difference it makes with our new pressed powders, our illuminating powders. Y'all, halo. Oh my goodness. This I cannot say enough, okay? So that is halo right there, and I'm gonna swatch it for you and I'm gonna apply it on my face. This is like an illuminating powder. It's really subtle. You don't need fancy brushes. You can absolutely use your finger. I applied everything on my face today with my fingers, from foundation to everything except my mascara, okay? So here's the halo right here. You can literally just tap your finger in there. It's super pigmented, and you can use it for your highlighting. You can do just a little bit right down the bridge of your nose, like that. And then the top of the cheekbone, just like that. You could always add more if you want more, or take your blush brush and just kind of buff it out if you feel like it's too much. And you just, accentuate your cheekbones. You highlight what you want to bring out, your bone structure. And then you could also just do sort of like a little triangle, just like that. And then I've already got gloss on. I would do this before the gloss normally, right on the Cupid's bow right there. a little bit on the chin. Look what a difference that makes. I'm looking up over your comments. Just the Cupid's bow, how that highlights the top of your mouth. Y'all, night and day. It's amazing, just the littlest things, just you look so much better. And people can't quite pinpoint what it is that looks good. It's just like, you just look really nice today, you know, and it's just those little bitty tricks that you don't realize make such a difference. And then I'll put a little bit, just like that, almost like a little reverse C. And so I just highlight right through there. Can y'all see that? Let's see here. What a difference that made. I need a little more blush. So that is the halo, okay? And then I'm gonna show y'all the topaz. There's several of the darker colors, surf, dune, and I think topaz. This is topaz. I do wanna try the surf. It's a little more bronzy, but this is part of our new pressed powders. This is more for bronzing than highlighting, but honestly, you could mix it with the halo and do a little bit of both. Same thing, you could use your finger or just a good little fluffy angled brush, and you could do a little bronzing, like hit where the sun would hit, or you could even do a little bit of almost like a little contour right through there if you wanted to. There's a million things you can do. If you are gonna contour, you're just gonna go, like I've showed y'all before, frame the face on the outside and under the cheekbone, and then right through there. Okay, I just did a tiny, tiny little bit, but I wanted to focus more on the halo. Can y'all see that? Give me a thumbs up if you can see the halo on my face, or if I need to put more on there, because I have my bright light on right now. I think from further away I can see it a little bit better. But it's wonderful. It's so, so highly pigmented, y'all. A little bit goes a long way. And then my last little favorite, that actually my oldest, Hannah Grace, is obsessed with this and she keeps stealing it from me, so I'm gonna have to order her own. She's 12 now and is starting to dabble in a little bit of mild, very natural makeup. Hey, Jennifer, how are you? You can see it? Okay, good, good, good. You know how these lights are, that I don't know if the light is doing it or if you can see the halo on my face. Mama looks tired today too, y'all. Woo-wee. So, back to this blush, last thing. This is called Nectar. We've come out with several new blushes, and it's like a really soft peach. Normally, I see peach and I run for the hills, but this one is so pretty. It's almost like an apple peach, and it just gives you a really pretty, natural, like peachy, cheeky face. You know what I mean? Like healthy, without looking like you have a really bold blush on, if that makes sense. A little bit fleshed, really, really pretty. And Hannah Grace has been using it. It is beautiful on her skin. But I'm just gonna use the same one I used for the bronzer, just kind of clean it off. This is my impromptu. So this is actually the Beautycounter angled fluffy brush. I'm obsessed with it. I can use it for just about anything. I love it. I love using it with the mattifying powder as well. But if you don't want to, you know, these are gonna be a little bit more. These are gonna be a little more of an investment. The Beautycounter brushes are, but they're fabulous. However, I love, love, love the Morphe and the Real Techniques that you can get at Target and on Amazon. And they're a fourth of the price. They work fabulous. And I use a lot of those as well. But I've been playing with the Beautycounter brushes, and I'm really liking them. So here's that brush. Here is the Nectar. I'm just gonna tiny little bit and watch right away. You can see I barely tapped it in there. Man, that light's bright, y'all. Okay, can y'all see that? So I just put it right where you smile, apple of the cheek, and then up. And then if you ever feel like it's too much, just clean brush. Here's my foundation brush that I use, and you can just kind of blend it if you feel like it's too much. I didn't think it was, I'm just showing y'all. But wow, I can really see the halo right there. Can y'all see that? I'm obsessed. So I got ready so fast today, y'all. Did my falls in 5 in 3.5 minutes. I'm going to actually do it live next time without talking, because I did a tutorial on it before and it took me longer than that because I was talking and whatever. But I'm gonna do it live with a timer, no talking, and I'll show you how I get it done. And then there's time, if you can get it done in less than 5 minutes, to throw in these fun things, and it makes a world of difference, and you just look so put together and you feel so good about yourself. Looking good. Can't wait to see you in a few. Me too, babe. I'm ready for you. So I'm gonna shut this down and say goodbye and hop over with Miss Janine. I'm very excited to go live with her in a minute. And hope y'all are having a wonderful rest of the week on this nasty rainy day. Bye, y'all. Thanks.